Hey, good morning, guys. This is Saul here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, first of all, welcome to KD Architect. And in this video, I'll talk about stair. So, how you guys can create the custom stair in Revit. And this video will create the stair having metal support and trade having a wood material. So as you can see in the screen, so we'll create this kind of stair in Revit. So we'll create in two parts. We'll create the first part, that is our run, and we'll create the second part, that is our support. So I'll teach you step by step process in this tutorial. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have level 1 and 3D view. So we'll create this stair in two parts. So first of all, we'll create one basic stair over here first. So for that, you can go to Architecture tab, and over here, we'll select on the stair icon. Now, over here, we'll create one basic stair from level 1 to level 2. So over here, we have stair height is 10 feet. So now let me create one stair. So like this way, we have created stair. Now let me show you in 3D. So over here, I have opened up the 3D view so you can visualize better. So let me change over here to realistic. Okay. Now over here, let's finish the stair over here. Okay. Now if you find this railing, just delete it first, as we don't need it for now. Now we'll duplicate this stair over here. So first select the stair, and over here just select on the edit type. Now over here we'll duplicate the stair type. So click on the duplicate, and over here we'll give the name. Let's say run trade only. So this will be our run part. So click on the OK, and now in the run type, we'll change over here to let's change. And now over here, we'll also duplicate the run type. So duplicate, and over here, we'll give the same name, run 1-inch trade. Like this way, we'll nomenclature the run type. Click on the OK. Now we'll change the parameter for the 1-inch trade run. So over here, we'll assign the trade, and in this run type, we don't need the riser because we are creating only trades. So first of all, you need to check the trade option over here, and trade thickness will be our, let's say, 1-inch over here, and we are keeping the trade profile default. So noising length will keep over here 0. So as we don't need the riser in this stair type, so we deselect this option. Okay, there we go. Now just click on the OK. Now यहाँ पे हमारा run 1-inch trade type, जो run type है वो हमने यहाँ पे create कर लिया है. So now in this support, now first let me show you in the stair. So click on the OK. So as you can see, यहाँ पे हमारे पास only trades आ गए हैं, riser हमको नहीं चाहिए. So that's why we have deselected the riser option. Now just remove these supports. So just select this stair and go to edit type. So as you can see over here, यहाँ पे assemble stair में हमने जो stair का जो type create किया था run trade only, वो यहाँ पे है. So उस type में आपको change करना है. So just select that type and go to edit type. Now over here we'll remove the support. So for that you need to go to support section over here. So from the right support you need to check the none option. So यहाँ पे right support remove हो जाएगा. Similar way we'll remove the left support also. So यहाँ पे just select the none for the left support. So यहाँ पे हमने दोनों supports को रिमूव कर दिया है. सो नाउ क्लिक ऑन दी अप्लाई. As you can see, both supports have been removed. So like this way you can remove the support. Now click on the OK. So as you can see, over here we have trades only. So now for the trade, we'll assign the material. Just select that stair, go to edit type, and to assign the material we need to go to run type over here. So यहाँ पे आपको run type जो है उसके अंदर जाना है, एंड यहाँ पे हमने जो डुप्लीकेट किया था run type, वहाँ पे आप ट्रेड का मटेरियल यहाँ पे असाइन कर सकते हो. सो लेट मी असाइन one material. So now over here, let's search something wood. Okay. So let's assign something like beach. Okay, that's fine. So यहाँ पे हम beach material wood का assign कर रहे हैं. And click on the OK. Now as you can see, यहाँ पे material have been assigned. Click on the OK. Click on the OK. So as you can see, यहाँ पे material जो है वो clearly assign हो चुका है. Now we'll create the support. So for that, just copy this stair. So for that you can use the CC command, or we have another shortcut that is CO. So you can also use that command. So यहाँ पे मैंने stair को copy किया है. Now select this stair and just go to edit type. So यहाँ पे हम इस stair को again duplicate करेंगे and यहाँ पे उसका name देंगे, let's say support iron, like this. So this will be our iron support. Click on the OK. Now again in the run type, we'll change the run type. So for that we'll duplicate over here. So यहाँ पे let's say for the run type we'll assign the name support 2-inch trade plus riser, like this way. Trade plus riser. So like this way we'll assign the name for the run type. Click on the OK. Now in this run type we'll enable the trade as well as riser. So for that यहाँ पे हमने trade में already check mark है. So just you need to check riser. Over here we'll check this option. So यहाँ पे हम slanted नहीं करना चाहते, so that's why we have deselected. So now for the riser thickness we'll assign, let's say 2-inch, and we'll keep the riser profile default. And for the trade over here we'll assign the trade thickness, let's say 2-inch, and we'll keep the trade profile default over here, and noising length also will keep 0. Now click on the OK. Again click on the, now as you can see in the support iron stair type we have changed the run type over here, as you can see, and click on the OK. Now as you can see we have created another stair type. So now again we'll assign the same material to riser. Select that stair, go to edit type, and go to that run type, that is our support 2-inch trade plus riser. Go to the run type, and over here we'll assign the iron material. Okay, so यहाँ पे already हमने beer से रखा है, so that's wrong. So here we'll assign the iron material. So let's search for the iron material. So here we'll select the iron ductile and click on the OK. Now as you can see, so यहाँ पे to assign the riser material, just select this material name, copy this and paste into the riser material. So like this way you can easily copy and paste the material in the Revit. And now for the trade over here we have kept the trade thickness 2-inch. Okay, that's fine. Now again click on the OK. Okay, so as you can see यहाँ पे हमारे पास आयरन सपोर्ट आ गया है, लेकिन इसकी width जो है it's too big, so we'll shorten the width of this stair type. So for that go to edit type, and over here if you find minimum run width, it is 3 feet 3 inch something यहाँ पे है, so we'll change over here to minimum run width to 1 inch, so we can assign 2 inch run width in the stair. So यहाँ पे let's say assign 1 inch and click on the OK. Now select that stair and यहाँ से आप let's go to edit type and select the stair. So यहाँ पे if you find run width, let's change to 2 inch. So if you see, now we are able to assign 2 inch stair width because हमने यहाँ पे edit type में यहाँ पे let's finish first and select the stair type and go to edit type because हमने यहाँ पे minimum run width जो है वो यहाँ पे हमने 1 inch यहाँ पे assign किया था. So that's why we are able to assign 2 inch stair width. So यहाँ पे हमने support create कर लिया है. Now let's move this support to this stair. Okay, now we'll mirror this support to another side. Okay, now let me show you in 3D. So as you can see, here we have created stair having only treads and metal support. So like this way you can create this kind of beautiful and attractive stair for the interior design. And if you find this video useful and if you really like this video, then please leave a like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.